We continue to receive a large number of high-quality submissions, along with an excellent lineup of invited speakers. For diffractive and holographic optics, we're going to have a Professor Oskan from UCLA to give a talk on computational imaging on the chip. This is technology potentially could revolutionize lots of techniques for like healthcare delivery to rural and remote side of the country. So it could have a very high societal impact. And for the three-dimensional optical fabrication design, we're going to have a Professor Martin Wegner from Germany to sort of give an overview of the current status and challenges of three-dimensional fabrication with laser lithography. And Professor Min-Hui Hong from Singapore will give you a invited talk on the laser fabrication of a variety of three-dimensional structures. And Professor Tom Gillard from Georgia Tech will actually talk about a fairly new type of laser lithography techniques called a pattern integrated interference lithography. The third area that we focus on is on the so-called unconventional polarization and complex optical field. This is the personally, this is my favorite field. We have been offering this same for 4 years already, and we see a dramatic increase of the submissions to this area. And this year we're going to have Professor Ellen Wilner from University of Southern California to give an invite talk on how to transmit information through optical fiber using a twisted light, along with another invite talk given by Professor Ramachandran from Boston University, who will be talking about how to transmit and maintain this twisted light in optical fibers. So combine this with technology potentially could bring a breakthrough of optical communications using the so-called optical angular momentum states. And Professor Aris Hasman from Israel will talk about a relatively new and rapidly growing area called spin optics, which is very exciting as well. And also, besides this same, we also offering a joint session with FiO 8, which is on the optical design of instrumentation for retinal imaging, and we have an excellent lineup of invited speakers. We have 5 invited speakers from all over the world, which who will be discussing the challenges and progresses of the instrumentation in this field, which is very exciting. I look forward to that. So in summary, we have a very exciting program, and I look forward for your participation for this year's conference.